In today's video, how to clear system storage on Android phone. Open Settings app on your phone. Clear app caches and data. Scroll and tap apps or apps and notifications. Here select a large or frequently used app, tap storage or storage and cache. Tap clear cache to remove temporary junk files. Repeat this to all apps. Remove unused apps and large files. Back to settings. Tap on About Phone. Then tap on Storage. Look through categories like apps, videos or downloads. Select the app from the list, then uninstall apps you no longer use. Back to storage. Tap Free Up Space. Here you see the all cache files and other data shown. Click the Cleanup button to clean the data. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button or power plus volume down. Tap Restart to flush temporary system states and clear minor background logs. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.